Hey everybody, so today I thought that it would be fun if I filmed a little tutorial using this, TooFaced Life's a Festival palette. Yeah, I just filmed my collection video, my eyeshadow palette collection video, and I mentioned that I have never used this one, and I literally just took it out of the box. So, yeah, I thought it'd be fun if I filmed a little tutorial with it. So that's what I'm gonna do. Sorry, my face looks horrible compared to my, it does not look like the right color, but in real life it was a pretty good match. So yeah, I have all of my face makeup done, minus my eyeshadow. And so I'm just gonna get right into that. So let's get into it. So my eyelids already have some concealer on them, so I am just going to put this powder on them as like kind of a base. It's just the L'Oreal True Match powder in W2. I'm just gonna, oh no, maybe. We'll see how that works. Now I'm gonna jump into the palette. So it's like it's a rainbow on the outside, and on the inside it's all these like really fun colors. So let's just play with some of them. There are a lot of shimmers, but we're gonna work with it. So I'm going to take Desert Vibes, which is this neutral color right here, and I'm just gonna put that in my crease. A lot of pigment. Maybe a little too much, oops. So I would say the one thing so far, at least with that color, is to tap it off before you put it on your eye. I didn't do that. And I also want you guys to know that I haven't swatched any of these either, so this is a first impressions tutorial too. That's pretty. And I'm using the Morphe M441. Okay, so now I'm going to take the, this is hard, Fun in the Sun shade right here. I'm actually gonna, maybe I should do that last. Yeah, let's do that one last. Okay, we're gonna do the Rainbow Life, which is this one right here, this like reddish color. I'm gonna put that on the outer edge. I'm just gonna kind of try to pack it on. I might have to, ooh, that's nice. Might have to use my finger, but it's looking pretty good so far. And now I'm going to take, oh, and that was just like an e.l.f. brush. And now I'm going to take this is another Morphe brush, but it doesn't have a name, like a number on it. Now I'm gonna take Sunset Dream, which is the orange color, and I'm gonna put that one right next to the pink color. I think I might have to put some on with my finger for the pink color because it isn't like showing up as much as I'd like it to. But this orange shade is pretty nice. Let me try it with my finger. So I'm taking that pink shade on my finger. I'm gonna just try to pack that on. There is gonna be fallout, but that's expected. That's the word I was looking for. That's pretty. It's kind of hard to see. Sorry, the light kind of sucks. It's like daytime, but not like a good time for filming, so I'm just using a light. Cool. I think I want more of that orange color too, so I'm taking the orange color, the Sunset Dreams color. I'm gonna put that. You could do pretty much this whole look with your fingers. Cool. Okay, so now I'm going to take, sorry, that was like right at my nose. Now I'm gonna take the yellow shade that's in the middle. It says Fun in the Sun, this one, and I'm going to put that on the inner third of my eye. Ooh, I really like this color. It has like a iridescent shift to it. That's so pretty. I was going for kind of like a rainbow look. So it's like yellow and then pink and or yellow and then orange and then pink. So cool. And now I'm going to take I wanted to do the neutral color on the bottom, but I feel like that's kind of boring. Let's do something fun. Let's take Dusk Till Dawn, which is this blue color right here. Let's put that on the lower lash line. That's fun. Oh, sorry. Okay. Ooh, that's kind of cool. This is definitely like kind of like a Pride inspired look, maybe. Like I definitely wouldn't wear this like on a Tuesday, but that's kind of fun. I do like it like this too though. Like this is definitely more like everyday, and this is just kind of fun. Do that on both sides. Sorry, I make the ugliest face when I do this. I don't know why. It's like hard to not. Concentration. Fun. Okay. And now, this is my favorite part. Actually, oh no. I should blend it out first. I'm gonna blend it out on the bottom. Using the blending color from the top. Just to soften it up a little bit. I feel like I just got something in my eye. Cool. So now I'm gonna take this brush. I think this is another Morphe 441, but this one's clean. Now I'm gonna take Unicorn Tears, which is this big white shade, and I'm going to put that on the highlight points of my eye. So I'm gonna put that under my brow. Ooh, that's fun. It's like a very like pink iridescent. That's cool. That is fun. This is just like a funky look. I'm gonna put it into my inner corners. Fun. Okay, cool. So now let's get a little bit of a better look. It's like kind of hard to see with this bad light, but that's kind of fun. I like it. I just like different stuff, you know, like different looks like this that I feel like people aren't doing enough of. So I am going to quick put on some eyeliner and some mascara and some lipstick, and I will be right back. Okay, everybody, here is the finished look. I just put on some eyeliner and some mascara. I first of all don't ever really wear lashes, but also if I did, I like wouldn't really want to cover like this fun eyeshadow up. So there's that. And also I am using, my lipstick is the Huda Beauty liquid matte lipstick in Wifey, and I put the Ciate London glitter flip just right in the middle. I think it's just fun, like you can see it's a little sparkly in the middle, and I just think that's kind of fun. So but yeah, I went with a nude lip because I thought sorry, I'm just like, this is so cool. My eyes look so blue right now too, so that's fun. But yeah, I just think it's so fun. So be sure to like this video if you like this look, and also be sure to let me know if there's anything else that you want to see from me, any other looks that you want to see me do with this palette. There's obviously a ton of other things I could do. So yeah, just let me know what you guys thought, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Okay, bye.